Hello! Welcome to my second official apartment tour on YouTube. I feel like I just moved, but it was literally over a year and a half ago. This is a grand reveal of my new apartment. I hope you guys have been enjoying the moving vlog so far. I want to show you guys everything. Also, I need your help desperately. I literally need you guys to tell me where to put what. Home renovating, home decor is just not my thing. It just isn't, and I've accepted that. I'm good at everything else. Home decor, not my thing. Let me know what looks good, where I should put what. You guys kind of have seen my furniture, but I'll show you guys more in the next vlog. Anyways, let's get to the apartment tour. So right away, you enter, and we have this little hallway closet, you know. You could put like a few bodies in here. You could put a lot, you could literally put me in here. If I was hiding from someone, I could just go in here. No one would know I'm home. Also, I have Chesco filming my apartment tour right now because everyone's out of town and this is literally hilarious. So to the right immediately is the powder room. This is like a half bathroom for like any guest. I think this is great. Because not that I don't like people going in my bathroom, but like if I can have a bathroom for guests, that's amazing. And also, I just know I get so much like random PR and stuff, so this is going to be my PR closet. And most importantly, look at this. We have, holy grail, a washer and dryer. Very rare sometimes in LA apartments or in the city, thank God. I just feel like this apartment has so much space and lots of filming potential. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there, but comment down below. Also, I'm like, damn, do I have to decorate that one too? Well, obviously I want it to be nice for the guests. Anyways, to the living room. So this is the living room. So the kitchen is here, and then we have kind of like a long hallway, and then the TV wall per se. Not sure where I want to put my couch. Obviously, you guys know I have a sectional. Should I put it here on this long wall, or should I put it on the TV wall and just switch up the vibe? As you guys can see with the window, there's like a little thing here. So I'm like, if I put the couch here, it'll kind of cover that. But I don't know. Please let me know. Also, I need a rug. I need a rug immediately. I'm thinking I definitely want to have artwork in this apartment. I bought the frame TV, but I did buy like the easel for it. Did I set it up? No, not sure why. But I'm like, okay, we could mount it this time and then we could have artwork. But then I'm like, what was the point of getting the easel? I don't know. Anyways, coffee table here. I will be sat here, eating food here. Couch here. Art here. View here. Let's look at the kitchen because it's actually quite nice. The kitchen is obviously kind of open. There's no island. Fret not. I bought an island for my last apartment and I was lightly triggered because I was like, oh my God, more than likely my next place will have an island. This place didn't come with an island. Perfect. So I have that like white marble island. I feel like it's gonna fit in perfectly. There's a lot of storage. Obviously you guys know I don't really cook much, but this kitchen is so cute. I'm like, should I enter my cooking era? I think so. I'm gonna have Remy teach me how to, you know, boil an egg or something. So obviously this is the kitchen sink over here. And then this is, I'm pretty sure this is a gas stove. I've only had electric stoves in my apartment, so this is like new and exciting for me. I think, yeah, this is a dishwasher. So everything's hidden, which I like, and I love that the kitchen's white. Some sort of marble, not sure. Dishwasher, love her work. And then over here we have the microwave and oven. Not sure which is which, to be honest. I'm so happy with the storage. It just goes in deep. I could have like all like the random kitchen gadgets I don't use and put them in there. Also, another thing I love, it's a fridge. It's invisible. I never thought I would have a white refrigerator again, but here we are. Look at this. Love her work. This is so aesthetic. I'm gonna make this pretty. And yeah, and then there's like a deep freezer too. I've never had a deep freezer. There's like an ice cube community, and I feel like I will be joining that. To the bedroom. All right, okay, so this is the master bedroom. Right here, we have a little nook right away. Do I put my vanity here? Yes or yes? Comment down below. Don't know what I want here. Obviously, this is like a designated dresser area, but we don't know. We don't know what we're gonna put here. I also bought a desk for my iMac. Where do I put this? Where do I put the iMac? Where am I putting anything? Not sure. There's a wall here. Perfect for a TV. I'm thinking, yeah, TV could go here, potentially. And then here, this could be a little work area. I'm thinking like cute little standing desk here, shelving here, art. Is it gonna happen? Hopefully. This is a view from the bedroom, which is so beautiful. It is south facing, so I do get sunrise, sunset, and good lighting during the afternoon, which is great because I don't really wake up too early and I'm more active during the afternoon hours anyways. Here, bed. Bed will be here. That's as far as we've gotten in the noggin. I need nightstands. Last apartment was 790-ish square feet. This one's 1,000 square feet. We have a little bit more room to play with and not sure what we're putting anywhere, to be honest. Also, what do I put here? The model unit had like a giant mirror here. Also, like I have this wall. And then when I was touring this and I was talking about like my furniture, she was like, you can put the vanity here. But I'm like, do I want a mirror facing my bed? Bad feng shui. Anyways, we've come a long way. Y'all saw my disgusting little disturbed closet from my last apartment. Literally, quite literally, nothing fit. It was just so bad. Anytime I bought clothes, things would have to get donated. It was quite literally a shack. But now we have, this is the closet room, which is crazy. I have a closet room now, thank God. Like, literally imagine, I literally just had this rack for my current closet. Now we have a room. I can put another rack right here on this side. So we have like room to play. Dressers, like little closet dressers or something. I don't know, I need something for my shoes in here too. I'm glad I actually have room. Potentially even, I might put my vanity right here. To one of my favorite parts of this apartment as well, the bathroom. I love like the double vanity. It has that, which is great. I can do like a little get ready with me for once. We have this gorgeous bathtub. I'll be taking a lot of baths in here. It's giving self-care. It's giving beautiful tub. I love like the marble on here. I love the shower head. I love that it comes off the wall. The one I have right now is just stuck into the wall. I love those. Obsessed. So I also love having space over the toilet because I could get one of those like a little shelf thing and then I could like add some stuff here. And then, oh my God, I didn't even mention this. This has a lot of room. This is like a really nice medicine cabinet. And then there's more storage, which I didn't have like any storage in my last apartment. So this is crazy to me. This was bigger than my closet in the other apartment. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my little house tour. Obviously, literally, I could not afford a place this nice if it wasn't for you guys watching and supporting. So thank you guys so much. I'm excited to make so much more content here. Obviously, I will be doing Vlogmas this year in December, so you guys are gonna see a lot of that. And obviously, I need to organize and unpack very soon. There's gonna be so many vlogs for you guys to just, you know, enjoy and eat up. So if you guys are not subscribed already, this is the best time to subscribe. We are moving in. We're moving to a beautiful city view apartment together. You know, you guys are moving in with me. You guys are my roommates. So subscribe if you're not fake. And on that note, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.